Hi friends, welcome back to GHK Right, and I'm Dr. Teji. Dr. Teji Sana, your food doctor. Olives, a tiny fruit which has made entry into our kitchen very recently. Now, olives are very good for your heart. It has healthy fats that you should take on daily basis. It boosts fiber in your diet. It gives you a healthy dose of vitamin E, which not many fruits give you. It gives you a feel good factor while you snack on it. It reduces the risk of cancer also, and sometimes it's also advised for managing blood glucose level. How many olives you can have? You can have at least 10 to 15 olives a day. Major issue is that olives are high in salt. You need to be very careful how you are eating it, when you are eating it. How many olives should you have in a day? You can have 10 to 15 olives, and for Indian cuisine, olive is a new thing, and many may not have developed the taste till now. So how to have olives? Fresh olives are the best. It is best to have them without salt because they are high in salt. You can add them to your salad, chop them, add to your salad, add it to your pastas and pizza if you want. They taste very well. Green and black olive both have their own importance, and you should have both of them. Avoid taking packed and frozen olives. They will not do you much good as the fresh ones will. Best time is having it before your meals, empty stomach as a part of your salad. And if you're not feeling sleepy, you can have them before sleep also, 5 to 6, and they'll help you get a good sleep. जैतून का तेल, ऑलिव ऑयल जो है उसके बहुत फायदे हैं, and it is rated as the top most safe oil to consume. ऑलिव ऑयल में होता है हेल्दी मोनोअनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हार्ट. उसके अलावा ऑलिव ऑयल में होते हैं बहुत सारे एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स जो हमारी सेहत के लिए, हमारे दिल के लिए, हमारी इम्यूनिटी के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं. ऑलिव ऑयल में होते हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी प्रॉपर्टीज. ऑलिव ऑयल आपको बचाता है स्ट्रोक से और हार्ट डिजीजेस से. इस सारे के बाद मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी, ऑलिव ऑयल का वेट से सीधा कनेक्शन नहीं है. इट्स द वे यू कंज्यूम द ऑयल, नॉट व्हाट ऑयल यू कंज्यूम. So there are many varieties of olive oil available: extra virgin olive oil, pure olive oil, and light or extra light virgin olive oil. Olive oil should not be used for frying, as I shared yesterday. For frying, you can use coconut oil, ghee, butter, or rice bran oil, which is especially suitable for Asian cooking and stir-frying style of cooking. Do not expose your olive oil to light or keep it near the oven. It has to be in cool, dark place. Virgin, pure, fine, light, or just plain old olive oil are not worth any consideration. The best oil that you should have is extra virgin olive oil. What are the do's and don'ts with olive oils? Number 1, it has to be in a dark colored bottle and not light colored bottle. Finish the bottle once you open within 2 to 3 months. Do not buy big bottles, 5 liters or 6 liters. To save money, because you cannot eat so much of olive oil in 1 year. So don't spend your money, don't waste your money. Buy small bottles and consume them within 2 to 3 months. Check olive oil for all the ingredients. It should have only olives in it and not other oils. Another very important thing is, do not go by best before date. Check for the harvest time. Harvest time is the time when the olives were harvested and then it start processing. So that's very important. Check for the harvest time. Do not fall for the fancy names of olive oils. 3, 2, 1 rules of olive oil. कुछ क्वेरीज आई कि व्हाट डू मीन बाय 3 मिनट्स ऑफ कुकिंग. तो ऑलिव ऑयल में जब हम कुकिंग करते हैं तो वो 3 मिनट से ज़्यादा गैस पे नहीं होना चाहिए. इसका मतलब हम फ्राइंग बिल्कुल भी ऑलिव ऑयल में नहीं कर सकते. मैंने पीछे सुना था इंडिया में पीपल वर सेइंग ये ऑलिव ऑयल में तले हुए भटूरे हैं और ये टेस्टी हैं और ये हेल्दी हैं. तो दिस इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग. ये एक बहुत गलत नोशन है. ऑलिव ऑयल में आप कर सकते हैं स्टर फ्राई, सौते, रोस्ट कर सकते हैं अपनी वेजीज को, सैंडविचेस को लाइन कर सकते हैं, बटर की जगह ऑलिव ऑयल लगा सकते हैं उसको क्रिस्पी बनाने के लिए. बट फ्राइंग और वो जो इंडियन कुकिंग होती है जब हम आधे से पौना घंटा स्लो गैस पे कुकिंग करते हैं अपने मसालों में, वो बिल्कुल नहीं होनी चाहिए ऑलिव ऑयल के लिए. उसके लिए अलग ऑयल्स हैं जिसके बारे में मैं आने वाले वीडियोस में बात करने वाली हूँ. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर सच हेल्थ अपडेट्स. बाय.